Actually, it really feels like World Championships. It's weird having it in December. It's a totally different feel to Planica as it normally is. Normally you have the springtime, you have a lot of fans, and you have it during the day and in the sunshine. But particularly because it's at night and it has this special feel, it's something quite special, I think. And I think the organizers did a good job with having the fans digitally. I also received the feedback from the athletes that they really like it. Yeah, for us it's different, but still kind of cool.
The athletes like it like this, with the lights and the darkness, and of course everybody's missing the crowd. But I think it's cool and it's very good on TV. Yeah, I like it. To make me feel safe, and I'm very impressed, like I said, with the organizers that they managed to put up this kind of arrangement in these times. The security and the testing and things like that we can all manage. It's no problem actually.
Ja, letošnja Planica je res drugačna. Jaz jo spremljam več kot zadnjih 20 let v večjih vlogah in da bo spet tako, kot je bilo v preteklosti. Bi pa pohvalil organizatorje, ker je vse narejeno tako, kot je treba. Jaz sem se bal, da tega občutka svetovnega prvenstva ne bo nič ravno zaradi teh gledalcev, ampak vseeno nekaj je, tako da lahko rečem samo bravo Planica letos.